What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Fidelis. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Here on my channel is everything beauty. Now, if you want to see how I got these beautiful, luscious curls using my hair from BGM Girl Hair, please continue watching. Thank you. Okay, so here you see I'm going to use my wand curler and also my Got To Be spray wax. I like to use the spray wax because it gives a nice hold to the hair and it gives the curls makes the curls frizz free. So I'm going to spray that on and proceed to comb it through. Make sure you comb it all in, and then I'm going to proceed to wrap the hair around the curling wand. As I'm wrapping, I am twisting the hair as I'm going along, and that is what's going to give you that beautiful, nice, bouncy curl. Hold it there for about 10 seconds. And voila, you have a beautiful curl. Now I'm going to continue to do that with the rest of the hair. The same procedure, spray the hair wax first and then comb it through and use your wand curler to get the nice beautiful bouncy curl. Now here you see I'm all done finished curling all of the hair, and this is how it looks. The Got To Be Holding wax also gives the hair a nice beautiful movement. It doesn't make the hair stiff. So here's the wig that I created using my BGMgirl hair. I've used a closure, so this wig is made to be worn glueless, or you could leave the straps off and wear it with an adhesive if you like. I'm going to be using my Boldhold Lace Jelly today to melt the lace, because I'm not going to keep this unit on for all day. I'm just doing it for my video purposes. So yeah. So here I'm using my red pencil titanium flat irons to curl up my baby hairs. You could curl them up, you could curl them down, whatever floats your boat. I choose to curl them up because I like the way it lays better. And I'm going to proceed with using my Nairobi foam. This also keeps your lace from lifting, and it also makes it easier to move those baby hairs into place. So as you can see, they are laid and slayed. Now I'm going to be using my Style Factor Edge Booster hair wax stick to flatten up that area around the part and tame the flyaways. I'm going to be using my hot comb on the hottest setting, because this hot comb really doesn't really get that hot. I mean, it gets hot, but it's not going to burn your hair. So yep, here I am just flattening out that area around my part to make it look nice and flat. I'm also gonna be going over the part in the back to cover those tracks. And voila, this is how she looks. Here I'm using my Boldhold Lace Jelly. This is not going to give you a maximum hold. Like if you're looking to wear your wig for a few days, this is not for that. It is just to basically melt the lace. You can also use it to form your baby hairs as well. So here it is. I blow dry it before I apply my black strip and also my melting band that I got from Boldhold as well. Thank you, Auntie. And yes, I blow dry it and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and voila, here she goes. Thanks for watching.